Hello viewers and welcome back to my channel Review Information. In this video I will show you how to enable Instagram dark mode in your Android handset.
Subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon to get notified any updates.
One of the most frequently requested features of Instagram over the years has been dark mode, and now it's here. Instagram quietly rolled out the feature for Android. All you have to do is make sure you downloaded the latest version of Instagram and your Android phone is running Android 10. Dark mode on Instagram respects the system-wide dark mode settings on Android operating system. So the second you switch to dark mode in Android 10, your Instagram app will also switch to dark mode. There is no way to toggle Instagram's dark mode on and off in the app itself. First, go to Settings. Scroll down. Under Personal section, tap on Display. In Display settings, you will find the option Dark Mode, which is disabled. Toggle up the button to enable dark mode. Now go to Instagram. And you can see Instagram turned into dark mode. In this way, you can enable dark mode for Instagram in your Android handset.
Thanks for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed my video. Please subscribe my channel for more videos. Goodbye.